Yo, what up guys? We're back with another video here today. In today's video, I we're just finishing up the admin dashboard. Just have to do a little design pages to it and ensure that everything is working, everything is functional as well. Um, Also as well, I completely forgot about something that's extremely important for especially for like a gift time shop that what I wanted to do was to add more designs, like people can put like designs and stuff on the gifts. So I wanted to like create like uh a a place where people can like actually design gifts and stuff and change different colors and the patterns and stuff like that. So we will get into that in today's stream as well. But make sure you like the video, share, subscribe, and make sure you turn on your post notifications because as I said I go live. I'm trying to go live every single day, because it's it's it is I have to stay consistent, and have to like grow my brand and everything like that, man. So you know, yeah. So let's just get into the project here. Let me check my right. You can see it, beautiful. Um, so I already have the project pulled up. So it's just to start it, or I should say, let's go to ChatGPT real quick, right? Let me pull it up to the side and pull it to the side, right? And I know that yesterday they said that my limit was close to like 11 p.m., 11:34 p.m. So hopefully it works. We will see. Which I say 11 p.m. is a I think it genuinely meant 11:34 at that time, not not the other days. So because I mean I can't type or whatever, so that's good. But so what I'm going to tell it is to hey. So it works now, but my admin dashboard does. I mean, and if I have to start it over, I will as well. Oh, speaking about starting over as well, I have to change some files as well too. So hey, so it works now, but my admin dashboard needs, or my admin dashboard does not have a CSS file, so it needs one. And one thing I realized that I hate that I have to be so like one thing I've realized with ChatGPT is that you have to be very detailed with it, man. You know, it's like it. I know that actually does like subconsciously that actually helps a lot because it oh, damn. Video studio had to update. Damn. Okay. Well, there's nobody going to rant, but I saw this at the corner of my eye. But sorry. To go back to my rant, what I was saying is that by ChatGPT having to be so detailed with it, it actually does help you a lot in real life because what it's basically subconsciously telling you is that in everything you do, make sure that you're very detailed and straight to the point, you know? So that's a massive thing, what I've learned with ChatGPT. So, I mean, props to them on that, you know? But I just had to say that real quick. But now to go back to it, so I say so yeah, I'll be as so I will give an example of what I mean on how detailed I have to be, right? Because remember, the problem that we're having is that admin dashboard is not styled properly, right? So I'm going to be very detailed with it. And even though sometimes, even though you have very detailed with it, it still does, it doesn't really do the correct thing, but usually it will fix it. But so yeah, so I say, hey, so it works now, but my admin dashboard doesn't have a CSS file, so it need one. So it needs one. Can you create that admin dashboard CSS file? Also, make sure that it is responsive to mobile laptops, tablets, and PCs. And I think also as well, also I think that when someone places a order, I do not see like the charts in the admin dashboard updates. Can you check to ensure that all the logic is in place so that when a order is placed, the chart updates? I know, speaking about updates, I don't think that when someone places an order, I get a update on it. So, oh yeah, and speaking about that too as well, that also another thing that we had to fix was you know what, let me just type it into all this as well. But should I, man? Because I mean, I don't want it to. I kind of want to address this one problem first, though. But the other problem what is happening, I have to fix like how, like when someone order gives, like they should be able to like change the different colors and packaging and stuff like that on it. So I need to fix that as well. Um, so yeah, I guess let's do this. You know, I think I may have made a mistake with this because I probably should have sent it the other CSS files and kind of like reference it to make sure that it stays with the correct styling. But let's see if it understands though. You see what I mean? Like it still doesn't it doesn't understand it. All right, let's copy this though. But I mean, at least we're almost done with it with this, man. So that's a beautiful thing. Oh shoot! Wait, why did it copy? Where's my admin dashboard? Oh wait, let me kind of switch the screens real quick. Where's my admin dashboard? I should kind of get rid of these two files as well too. Where is the admin dashboard? Okay, here it is. I think how did they import it? Let's go to, I think it was about. Let me just check something real quick. Let me just copy this instead of having to like type over that whole entire stuff. What I'll do is just do so, and then copy this. All right. Then let's go back. Let's run now. Let's run it now. But yeah, I think I should have put the that stuff there. So that is that probably, if it works, I mean that'll be good. But if it doesn't work, that was just on me for not being, you know, as I mentioned, very super detailed. Which is, you know, as sometimes it really does get annoying though, because it's like I expect it to like, understand or like get it, but for some reason, like it doesn't. Like its memory is there's a massive flaw in its memory. As that was a very massive issue I've realized with ChatGPT. It's like there's a massive um a massive loss in memory for some reason, which is, obviously annoying because obviously having to keep reminding it over and over and over is like, bro, it's like, come on, man. So yeah, you see, it didn't update. Yeah, you see. Ah, man, bro, why? It's like, why, man? Like, why, bro? Yeah, because you see, I did put in orders though. So yeah, it clearly isn't updating. All right, let's do this over, man. Oh god, gosh, damn it, bro. This thing is so, bro. Okay, let's do this over. So what I'm going to have to do is send it my admin dashboard file, right? Bro, it's so stupid, man. Where is this? Where's the folder? All right, let me just put this across here for now. So the issue I am having is that my admin dashboard does not have any styling, and when someone places a order, it does it doesn't it do- or I should say it doesn't update in the admin dashboard. Also, there are other fields in the web page that does not have any purpose, well, any functionalities, I should say, but they are important. And I say, well, I have to be detailed with this. I have to give it the example, right? So I just say, let's move this now here, such as orders, products, and customers. Here is my admin dashboard.jxx file. Please update it. Wait, what did it say it needed? It needed my what? And ensure that shots I need a backend or a controller slash route, okay? And incorporate it with the correct with the correct what do you call those? Oh, classes for the CSS styling. And apparently it needed front end page back and say front end dashboard. Card chart should state ensure that user breakdown was open, ensure that your order start. Okay, so see that it needs some backend routes or whatever. Also, I would share some files for you to help me fix the second problem, but remember, I did send you all my code at the beginning. Cause yeah, for some reason, like bro, its memory sucks, bro. Yeah, man, its memory sucks, bro. So let me fix it. And other files. Alright, so now let me send it all my code, right? So let's go to admin dashboard .jxx, and I will lie to you, man, it is really hot here, man. I don't know what is going on, bro, but bro, it is really hot, man, for some reason. So I have to give it admin dashboard. What else do I have to give it? Is it maybe, oh, okay, I see. Okay, I see what it is. I know what I have to give it. I mean, I did send it all these files though, which I said before, I don't get why it's not picking up this, but okay. Yeah, I think the next time I'm building another project, man, I'm be sorry, I'm building out one by one, man. Each file, each functionality, I'm building out one by one, man. So like it just generating code and it doesn't understand exactly what it's doing. It just spitting something out to you. It's like, bro, I'm not doing that again, bro. Let me just kind of name. I don't think there's really, let me send it, man. I'm hoping that it understands this man, because bro, I don't really want to go back and have to really type out all those stuff. Even I quite literally gave it at the beginning. So it's like, why do I have to keep repeating the same code that I did, bro? It's like, hopefully it understands, man. Hopefully. I'm really begging that it understands, man. Cause bro, let's kind of scroll along though. Let me not stay stagnant here. So it gives me back that whatever next step import. Right now I set pulling every 10 seconds for updates. If you want instant updates, switch to web stocks to order fire up, but you need to connect the actions back and road. Your chat will now refresh every 10 seconds or to reflect new orders. To hook up web stocks real-time updates instead of polling, so that the dashboard updates instantly when someone places an order. It refreshes dashboard data whenever an order is placed using a interval every 10 seconds. Can switch to website later. It imports and renders your order customer component inside your section, add sales classes. Let's see. So it's supposed to have, my admin dashboard supposed to have 91 lines of code. Let's see if it still has that 91 lines of codes. Yes, it does. Okay. Still working, which is nice. Let me go back to the admin dashboard now. Let's remove this and let's add this now. And let's let's go. Yeah, let's go. That's proper. Thank you. That's proper. Thank you very much. Yeah, this is proper. Okay. So yeah, so I'm seeing on the page that error failed to fetch order data. So let me go to inspect and let's go to console and you know, let me restart the server. Yeah, let me restart this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to restart this. Right, and then we'll get back into it. Yes, so that the console is clean. Or sorry, the terminal is clean, and that and that I can really like point out, or or I should say that the that ChatGPT could point it out. So also, well, it makes it clear for ChatGPT to point out the error. So let's go to this, update that, then let's go to this one, npm start. It's waiting for it to load up. Pause. Right, so I'm still on the admin dashboard, right? So let's go to inspect. Right, and these are all the errors I'm having. Okay, so let me just copy all these errors now. Okay, so let me copy all this. And let me be like, okay, so the styling is cleaner now. Wait, but before I even say that though, just is saying this looks like the tablet side of it. Right, it goes to that. Yeah, this looks much more cleaner now. I wonder what is the size of a phone though? Is a phone size at least like this or a bit smaller? Maybe something like this, right? Because you see, it can't really go that further though, unfortunately. Yeah. But I think this is probably like the size of a phone though. But whatever. So yeah, what I was saying, right? So okay, it goes to styling is cleaner now, right? But on the admin dashboard page, I am getting these errors in my console. Also, for let me just move this here to the side real quick. I need to see everything. So I just say also for product management, customers, and orders, I am getting an error of failed to fetch order data. Let's see what it says, man. Thanks for sharing these errors. Thanks for sharing these details. Oh shoot, hold on 1 second. Okay. It says that thanks for sharing these errors. For not found dashboard authorization for not found API similar to position your raw determine means error existing in pressing missing valid token. Back rejects your credentials, your front end fetches the admin dashboard data. Step one, check router data. Go to your backend. Notice express and confirm you have routes like these. and in your server.js or index.js, if admin address isn't defined in your backend, the front end will always get it for check access URLs in front end. Open your admin address and check the fetch function. Make sure the base URL matches your backend if your backend prefix routes. Step 3, order and connection. If your order and customer fetching, you need to route for those to add then in server.js. Step 4, authorization check. For the phone errors, ensure your request always sent to the token. Okay, so you know what I will do? Okay, so what I will do is, well, you know what? I don't still think I need to go that deep though. I think I can maybe figure this out. Because they say not admin.js for routes, and I don't have an admin.js route. No, sorry, no, I do have an admin.js route. So I do have an admin.js route. Okay. And they say add in your server.js. So I need to go to my server. Well, okay, let me switch this real quick. So it's saying to go to my where is it server.js, and it's telling me to, well, I can't really use import, so I have to use this right here. But it's saying API though, which I don't think that I have an API related to this. Yeah, you know what? They check the, is it Control F? Yeah, so fetch. Yeah, find an admin dashboard. Yeah, data. I have all these header where. Oh, okay. I see. I see what the problem is. But I guess it's saying not to change this though. So because what they have here is different from what they have here. Like if you see it, I mean, currently, damn it, man. I wish I had like ultra wide screen so you could see all of them match, but I have different monitors, so it doesn't matter. But it basically gives me two different codes though, which that's obviously very hard to like to trust. So okay, so what I'm learning from this is that there's a couple of files that I have to send. So what I'll do, so what I will tell it is that, so what I'll be like, okay, so okay, what I will do, I will send all these files that can help you solve these issues. So let's start with the admin dashboard. Oh wait, I just say that before you even get into that though, just say that please update all the files and codes with the relevant codes, and then ensure that my logic is intact and all the codes are functional. they're all working, right? So what I will do, I say now I will send it to the admin dashboard .jxx. Let me send that one first. Let me send the server.jx. Man, I'm so pissed that I really had to keep sending this over to it, man. So annoying, man. Well, I have the auth pull up. Let me send the auth to the auth.jx. Alright. Then let's go to alright, this was the server. Then the server.jx. Alright, and then the admin, because I didn't have the admin page. The admin.jx. Yeah, I think that is pretty much it. And let me just in caution to like make sure. Where's my admin dashboard? Sorry, admin dot whatever. You see that I already had this file created in my routes folder. All right, let's see the results, man. Let's see the results. It might take a while, but let's see, man. Let's see. Right now, time to really does pass, man. When you're really having fun, man. That's crazy. How we're just like 45 minutes in right now, and that is wild, son. I mean, I did kind of sound like 10 minutes, you know what I mean? So, so we're like 35 minutes. But all right, let's go. So it's saying that it's updated this, saying that customer change your what changed, you know, what these issue for will disappear. I mean, but see, but this is what I mean though. Ah, okay. Basically, but the orders are JSX page does work this. I mean, I don't get what it's talking about. Oh, sorry, I was reading in my mind. Yeah, sometimes I like to do that. But I don't get what it mean by that though, because it is working. Okay, let's just update it with this. So what I have to do is just restart the server. So what I do is let me just close on all these, and what I will do to copy. Well, I don't think I have to copy this whole entire thing though. Yeah. Let me just go to this thing here. I don't really have to like copy the entire thing though. And just copy this too. Damn it, man. I copy this. Alright, so that is one down. I don't think there's anything else really needs to be added. So that's one down. Then update your admin.jx. I had 77 lines of code. Let's see how much do I have now. 77 lines. Let's see if it reduced. Yes, it did reduce. Right, I'll leave it there for now. Then send the customer that JXX for the routes. So let me copy this and put it now into the file. I should end up just switching this real quick. Let's go to new file, customer.jx routes. Hold on, let me just wait for this thing to load up. Right, bruh, come on, man. Get with the code, guys. Come on, literally. Right, that's updated as well. Change your access URL to admin.dashboard.dat. Let's go back to the admin dashboard. Say const fetch, which is this line of code here. So that it kept the same thing. To me it looks the same though. Nothing didn't really change for me though. Console error, keep loading false, set status response data, error authorization, layer token. I mean nothing really changed, bro. Still it's still the same, bro. So I don't know why it's talking about a change, but to me everything looks the same. All right, let's run it back though. Let's hopefully see if it works. But it was saying something about orders, which is very confusing to me. But let's see if this works. Damn it! Yeah, I had a feeling it would have crashed. The admin routes is not defined. I'm guessing it means I don't know what that's supposed to mean though. Yeah, because I don't. Yeah, because I don't think I changed anything though. So okay. I see what's the problem. I see what's the problem. Let me control C this, right? And control V this. And oh wait, it just worked. What the hell? Because it only updated. Oh wait, hold on. I see. Hold on, I see it. I see it. Yeah, there we go. Now it's fixed. Let's start this over one more time. npm run dev. Let's see if it works now. Yes, it does work. Beautiful. Then let's go to the client. Well, to the client, sorry. Then hit npm start. And then this should load up. And on the other page, where it would appear, on the other screen, sorry, where it would appear, go to admin. And it looks like it's saying, looks like one of it fixed. So looks like one of it fixed. So what should we do from here though? So what I would do, well, it's still saying no products found though. Okay, Well, I did these updates, and here are the outputs of what I would have received from updating these files. Yeah. Alright, so what I will do, so let me copy this, right, and then let's go to the console, inspect console, and let's copy all these errors. Even though I think it's repeating errors though. And you know what, just so I could get the best of it, I know that there is a lot of errors. You can figure, so you have to get a bit of motivation, right? Figure it out. Please review my codes that I sent you and fix these problems. Please think of the solutions before responding. All right, let's see. See, it didn't, bro. Okay, let's try this over. So it's saying in your backend, you need a mirror entry like this. Hook row into server in your server app. Import step 3. Click summarize request. Make sure your front end includes the reward in the header. Step 4, update admin dashboard. Make sure you fetch with your API wrapper. Yeah, but you see, I don't. But you see, this is why I told her that yo think before you respond, man. Okay, ChatGPT. Oh my gosh, man. This is why I told you to think before you respond. If you are going to give me codes, please update the actual codes that I have and do not do not give me random codes. So please update my kind of, my foods, not randoms, for examples. Sometimes you just have to give it that, Yes, he's thinking out. This is no you get better respond, man. Damn it, man. Like, bro, it's like you gotta treat this thing like a kid, bro. You know what I mean? Like, bro. Well, let me respond to this real quick. Um, while waiting for this response, let me respond to this real quick. Right. Let's go to that. So nice, thanks for clearing instructions. I read your code carefully and fixed the records rather than adding random snippets summary of what I changed and why. When I asked get but the backend was not mounting the routes and fetches the for some admin pages fetch admin only data orders customer without sending a authorized header or we're calling endpoints that did not exist was defined that product. The admin route file use a custom token header lookup as token which could lead to mismatch. I unified all users to reuse existing malware driven into admin support pay token. I added simple admin endpoints to return orders products customers so your admin UI component can request them and receive consistent JSON. Below are the updated files, replacing your existing files with these. They keep your existing logic but fix the missing sub misaligned routes and headers. We just silver that with this. Alright, so let's go. So it's saying, damn it, man. Let me close down these things here. Stop lagging, bro. Stop lagging. So let's go back. So let's check my server. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? All out of there. Scroll all the way down. The order routes. Ah, okay. I see what's going on. Ah, I see what's going on. But I don't. But it's there. The thing about it though, it's there though. That's why I'm getting the problem. But that doesn't make sense because it's there. Unless I'm not calling the app. Yeah, I think that's why, because I'm not calling the app. So that's why it's probably giving me the problem because it's not being called. And I think that ChatGPT as well is not even seeing that error, which is, my exact point when I'm talking about it not understanding the code properly. Because if I go to admin, you can see that API admin. So it looks like the API has updated then. I think I can solve this problem. Yeah. But let's see the fixes though. Because I don't have the order routes file though. That's the thing. Yeah, I think okay, so let me copy this code that is giving me here. Yeah, you see that's why. Yeah, okay. I see how to fix this now. Um, yeah, that's why. Now that I see that how it's not great. Yeah, I think that is what it forgot to do. Yeah, use existing models and the shared middleware to protect our endpoints provides get or product by verified token. So what file is this though? It's going to replace it with this code that it gives me, which is gonna 67. Don't think anything really changed there. Alright, so it goes back to 75. Update, so it requests ARMA endpoint send token to replace the existing order components to include authorization and consistent JSON structure. So it's saying that to go back to my order, sorry, order.jx. Oh wait, orders.jxx. Hold on. Wait, let me make sure. Wait, hold on. Import read. Okay, wait, yeah. Wait, hold on. Is this the. Ah, okay. I see where it is. Oh, you should rename this to order.jxx as well. Maybe that's probably why it's not working too. Let me do that. Uh, so then replace existing order component to include authorization. So it's saying how much lines of code I had here. I had 90 lines of code. And another reason why I say that I'm watching how much line of code I had because for some reason that ChatGPT likes to eliminate codes and like when you like just copy and paste them, sometimes you get even more errors because logic is missing. So that's why you always have to double check and ensure that how many lines of code that you have at the bottom, make sure that it's either more or less. Because sometimes it really may just take away some code or sometimes it yeah, like just to kind of clean it up a bit, but you see, it said drop 1 to 65, which is this could be a problem, but we'll see. All right, so let's go to that, and then customer.jxx. So it's saying to rename it. Damn it, bro! How the hell we rename this? Update to core admin routes. All right, hopefully these codes doesn't break, man. Then they say product.jxx, which is this one here as well, to rename this to product.jxx. Update to core admin product with token. You can keep this product too if you want, but I changed it to admin endpoint to keep this is a permission and to include server side product lists. It had 101 lines of code, now it has 72 lines of code. It's on the line dashboard. Well, don't think I really had to change any of this though. But let me just copy this in case though. Yeah, for some reason, man, I think this code may break, man. But let's see. This code may break. npm run dev. So the backend is fine. npm start. Okay, so the admin is popping up. We see now I'm getting the errors. So you see, now it goes back to now the products are now failing. So see this is what I mean, man. Like bruh. Oh my gosh, ChatGPT, man. I swear this thing is so, man, this is so trash at coding sometimes, bro. Bruh, this thing is so terrible at coding sometimes, man. It is ridiculous, bro. Oh my gosh, man. I need, man. Okay, let me hit it with his response, man. Okay, ChatGPT. Again, the codes that you provided did not fix the problem I am having. Please, I will resend you all my codes and please read and understand before responding. Also, my console and page has these errors. Well, as you see that and page still has these errors. Let me hit it now with this. So page console honestly also what I have realized as well is that I believe you are removing some lines of code from my files. Damn, like bro, no, it is failing, bro. Damn it, man. Um, let's go to where is it? Where is it? Go to here, and let me put this code across here. Server.jx API. Wait, I had two API files. Maybe I may have just give it some more files to, who knows. Let's see, I do have an author context. And I'll maybe send it this file as well too. So let's go to api.jx. Then let's go to auth context. Auth context.jx. Spell that wrong. Auth context.jx. Then let's copy the admin dashboard. Admin dashboard.jxx. But yeah, man, I mean, if any of you, know the problem as well too, I mean, you could always help me out as well. I'm always here to say for this is a learning experience for me as well, and hope it's a learning experience for you all too. So if you all, know any details, anything, always, say something in the chat, man. Don't be afraid to say whatever. All right, let's do that. Then product. I should send, yeah, these three are very important because this is what this is maybe what is causing the problems. Then order.jxx. Maybe I'm thinking too as well. What about my models? I'm wondering if maybe the models could also be causing some problems as well. Um, I don't. That may be a lot of files to send though. So it's saying that all your React components are in that order product and customer calling endpoints like local admin dashboard data 5000, but in your server you mounted the admin route at API that use API that admin routes. That means your backend route are actually HI. I don't understand what it mean. It's look like it's the same thing though. What is it talking about? That that's mismatch API. I see what they mean. Okay. So you mean that okay. I get it. So this is of API by right here. Okay. Okay. While you keep getting 404 not found, you have two options. So update the front-end API calls. Change your React component to hit API/admin instead of admin. For example, in admin dashboard, in order.js in product, or should we update your backend mount? If you prefer to keep your front-end code as is, then instead of change. Okay, so it's saying that in server.jxx, Can we go with option A, update front in your API because all your other routes are already prefixed API. Okay. So for example, say it's saying to change all the API routes. Okay, so okay, yeah, I see what it means to. I see what it means. All right, let me keep switching. Let me switch this here. Ooh, sorry about that. Ouch. Couldn't mute in time. My bad. Uh, hopefully that wasn't too loud. So they seem to leave the bare tokens alone, but it's saying to, so this is the line of code I have to copy. Let's copy this line of code and let's remove this line of code, right? Remove this. All right, let me close it down though. So that's one for order. Where's order, not JSX? Now it's saying to remove that and put this one here. But you know, I can just, where do I have to just put? Let me just try to copy this line of code. Or do I just have to put like API 5000 and then API and then this slash. So let me copy this. And then I think same thing for customer. So it's right here. Or say it's right here. Right. Then product now. Right here. Right. And okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see if it's working now. But that's it, man. I won't lie, man. Even though I'm getting all these errors, man, these things are very informative to know and learn. So I say if I'm not really a top tier developer, I'm still learning in the game, still, you know, through trial and error, learning different things. But yeah, man, this is that was informative. If it works, I mean, it just really truly just be mindful of like of the just be mindful of the API routes. Ah, damn! So I got an error. The canary properties are of undefined read name. Canary properties undefined read name. What do you mean by that, though? Wait, let me hit it with the API slash. Let me refresh it now. And read. Okay, so oh yeah, so I'm getting this error for some weird reason. Let me hit inspect. Ah, well, looks like all errors did go away. Let me hit it with okay. Well, I updated my I updated all the files and now I have this error on my page and in my console. Let's go with page. Let's just copy this error real quick. Then let's go to console. Then let's go to admin dashboard.jxx. And let me now copy this code. Let's see what it says, man. So it's saying that the root problem cannot read properties of undefined read name happens here. Labels start marked out when it means some element inside the SAR does not have a proper product information object, so it is undefined. Fix option 1 defensive check. Change your chart data specifically under missing or malformed data. Here, prevent crashes. Fix 2 normalize data in backend. If your backend sends something like the second item missing, but this could fix in your backend in controller before sending. This way the front always gets safe data. React code immediately, quick save can to check your backend response in Postman or browse to confirm whatever is wherever it comes. So it's saying to change your chart data to safely okay, so let me pull up this code now. So it's saying to Control F and const right chart data, and it's telling me to remove this and put this here instead. Let's see if it fixes. But let me restart the server, right, just in case. Make sure everything is working. npm start, sorry, npm run dev. Then let's go to client, npm start. Okay, so I have to log back in. Give me 1 second here, because I don't want to share my password, of course. Oh shoot, yeah, it works now. Yeah, it works now. But I can't show this part because yeah. Sorry, I can show. Yeah, so you see it works. Yeah, you can see that it works here though. Yeah. W. Haha, we got it. W's. W's. W's in the chat, man. W's. Yeah, you can see that it yeah. Yeah, man, that is a W, man. It works. Nice. Well, since we got that fixed, that is a W. I'll call it a day there. We would do the rest of this another time. So I think because I see that also my product is still not ready. Let me just check the console real quick. Okay, well apparently it's good. But who knows, I may fix that still, but we'll see. But yeah, there was one fix I wanted to add, which was changing up the gift shop and stuff like that. But I guess we'll do that next time. But my page took a lot to complete, so that's okay. But yeah, man. Hope you all enjoy the video. Make sure you all like the video, share and subscribe. Make sure you all comment what you all learned from this video here today. And yeah, I'll catch you all back in another video, man. So peace. You all have a good one, man.